Ashley was just a curious girl with muddy sneakers and a wild imagination. The forest behind her house, that was her kingdom. But one quiet afternoon, something unexpected called out. A soft cry. In a bed of leaves, she found him. Tiny, wrapped in blue, eyes wide and searching. In that moment, something clicked. Not fear, not panic, love.
You see, channels like this, creating these fun 3D cartoon stories for kids. What most people don't know about this channel is that they generate thousands of dollars on YouTube by posting these animation videos right here. Now, back in the day, creating animation videos like this could take weeks. You need expensive softwares, you need to buy expensive tools, or you should have big knowledge in editing. But today, with innovation and the power of free AI tools, you can create these 3D cartoon stories in less than 24 hours and start building your own faceless channel so you can actually monetize in this niche. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method on how you can create your 3D cartoon stories for kids using free tools. If this is your first time here, my name is Ivan Kennedy, and on this channel I talk about online business and simple ideas that you can turn into income streams. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's proceed into the video. The very first step to create an engaging animation story is crafting our story. So let's do that. Let's head into my script. Now, in order for us to craft our story, we need to come up with a story outline. Now, with a story outline, ChatGPT can build a proper engaging story. Right here, guys, can see that I've already come up with my own story outline. Now, you can pause this video and you can use my prompts to generate your own ideas. So I'm just going to copy my story outline right here. Now, once I'm done with copying it, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. All right, if you don't have an account, you can just sign up. So I've already signed up right here. So I'm going to paste this on ChatGPT and I'm going to click on enter and wait for ChatGPT to write this our short story. Ask ChatGPT to convert your story into different scenes. As for me, I'm going to be going for 15 scenes. Alright, now guys, with the different scene ready, you need to create image prompts for these different scenes to build up your story. So guys, which is exactly what I'm going to be using. This is my top prompts right here. You can see write detailed image prompt for each scene of story. I'm just going to this scene, copy this right here. Then of course I want ChatGPT to create a consistent character for me with this my story. Right here, guys, you can see if you read through these prompts right here, guys, there's already a consistent character, right? So it's very important to use consistent characters in your story so that it can be understandable by your audience. All right, so guys, now we have this prompt ready. The next thing for us to do is to generate the visuals, which is the images. All right, and for us to do that, we are going to be using a tool called Leonardo AI. Now guys, once you log into your Leonardo AI, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create stunning visuals for these stories. All right, so currently, guys, you can see that I'm using a free plan. On top you can see my name right here. So what you have to do right now is tap on this image creation. These are the middle right here. Now once tap on this, guys, at the top you can see model/preset. Now tap on this model/preset and use the Phoenix 0.9. So tap on it right here and make sure it's set as Phoenix 0.9. Then you can go back. Now once set as Phoenix 0.9, let's put in our prompt right here to create these visuals for our videos. Right here, guys, consider we've generated the first image. Now let's do the same for the second image. Right, so guys, you can see that I'm doing the second one, and of course we're going to do the same for the third one till we are all done. So right here, guys, consider we've done for the second one, and guys can see the characters still remain consistent. Now we're going to do this for the rest of the images that we have to generate for our videos. So right here, guys, can see that Leonardo AI has been able to generate these images for us. And guys, let me share with you how you can turn these images into videos. All right, so after you must have downloaded these images from Leonardo, come over to Kling AI. Now once you're in Kling AI, you can turn these images to videos using Kling AI. So all you have to do right now is to scroll down to where you're going to see the video section. Now tap on this video section right here. So all you have to do right now is import the picture that I've downloaded from Leonardo so you can turn it to video. So let me start with the very first picture. So once I've uploaded the picture, all I have to do right now is tap on generate. Now I'm going to do the same for the second image right here, and I'm going to click on generate. So guys, I'm going to repeat this whole steps until I'm done with generating these images to videos. Now guys, after generating your pictures and turning these your pictures to videos, the next step for us to do is to edit our videos. And to edit our videos, guys, I'm going to be using an app called CapCut. And let's dive into my script. Right here, guys, can see I'm currently on CapCut, and I've imported the videos that are actually generated. All right, if you don't know how to import the videos that you've generated, you can just click on this import right here, and you're going to import the pictures that you turn into videos. All right, so which is the one that I have here. Now the very first step we want to do to edit our video is to drag the videos that we generated to the timeline right here. You can just click on this plug button. So let me drag it to this timeline right here, and just make sure everything looks really good. You can see this is the first scene. So guys, let us edit this video together. So guys, after putting the videos together, we need voiceovers for our videos, and also we need music to bring our videos to life. So in order for us to get the music for our videos, we need to use non-copyright sounds. And how can we get non-copyright sounds? All you have to do right now is to come over to YouTube. Now once on YouTube right here, guys, you can tap on your profile. Now once tap on your profile right here, guys, you can see YouTube Studio. You can click on YouTube Studio. Now once you're on YouTube Studio, all you have to do right now is to navigate to where you see the audio library. Tap on this audio library right here. Now guys, the audio library right here, guys, you're gonna see tons of free music that you can use for your videos without getting any copyright. So all you have to do right now is just choose the one that suits you best. So let me listen to some. So guys, I found one that I like. I'm just gonna click on download to actually download it. So once I've downloaded my music, I'm gonna do the same and import my music right here. So guys, we've added music to this video. Let's take a look at this video while we've added music. Alright, let me click on play. So guys, this looks good overall. Now to sum this up, we need to add voiceovers, and for us to add voiceovers, we're going to be using this so-called 11 laps. So right here guys, this is my script for my story, so I'm just going to put it in 11 laps. And right here guys, you can see voice. You can choose any voice you want. So for this course of this one, I'm going for Amelia, and then I'm going to click on generate page to actually generate the voiceovers for the video. Now guys, here's the video with voiceovers added to it. Alright, let me click on play.
Ashley was just a curious girl with muddy sneakers and a wild imagination. The forest behind her house, that was her kingdom. But one quiet afternoon, something unexpected called out. A soft cry. In a bed of leaves, she found him. Tiny, wrapped in blue, eyes wide and searching. In that moment, something clicked. Not fear, not panic, love.
So, congratulations guys, you just learned how to create stunning 3D animation videos using free tools. Now if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section as I look forward to replying all your amazing questions, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay with them and signing out. Peace.